So normally you would think of a Mercedes-Benz S-Class to be just classy, fluent, elegant, but you wouldn't really combine that with sporty, a little bit stealthy, aggressive. Well, in this case, it's exactly that. This is a 2021 21 registration Mercedes-Benz S500L. That's a 3-litre petrol engine, long wheelbase, 5-seater, producing 430 brake horsepower, 0 to 60 in 4.9 seconds. But when you have something in this colour, with a styling kit, the upgraded wheels, looks super stealthy, yet very comfortable, still classy because it's a Mercedes S-Class, but it's got a very, very good look about it, if you like that kind of thing. This car is awesome. With just 22,000 miles on, it is the new model Mercedes-Benz, so that new style to the headlights, the huge grille. Obviously the car's fully dechromed, which gives it that lovely aggressive look. You've also got features like the digital lighting system, the LED daytime running lights, adaptive cruise control, 360 camera system, and then that bespoke styling, the LED daytime running lights down below, more covering around the venting here. You've then got the upgraded 21-inch alloy wheels in gloss black. You've got side skirts, which is an added extra, electric deployable door handles, sun protection glass, black window surrounds. This car also has tilt and sliding panoramic roof, but it's the S500. And I think it's perfect if you want something that ticks every single box with regards comfort, looks, and road presence. This has the new design to the interior, more minimalistic, futuristic, MBUX navigation system, touchscreen media. You've got heated, electric, ventilated, and massaging seats, lots of ambient lighting, the Burmester sound system. Remember, this is the Premium Plus, so this is top of the range in every single way when it comes to specification-wise. You've got third zone climate control, rear heated seats as well. Some parts of the interior has been PPF'd, such as the media screen, that diamond quilted leather seats, that centre armrest goes away completely. Lots of space for all your friends and family, as it is the long wheelbase, so there's ample amount of space. And there's the speaker covers there for the Burmester. You press the windows and you have all the different tinted windows and the electric blind in the back. The body styling kit then continues around the back with the top spoiler, badging, that rear diffuser with the quad tailpipes. Then you have the crystallised LED rear lighting system, and there's your big boot. There's a registration number, Sierra Delta 21, Oscar Romeo Papa. The car just looks, it looks really good. If you like this vibe, if you like your black cars with the black wheels and all dechromed, and you like big cars, because there's lots of people, I have a lot of clients in the city where they want this look. And you know what? It looks mean. It looks super aggressive. It looks a very cool car. But you still got an S-Class. So you have this heads-up display, the digital dashboard, the 3-spoke steering wheel with the heated steering wheel, automatic gearbox, your 360 camera system, all the features that you'd expect in a car of this caliber you've got, alongside the styling and the looks. 22,000 miles, the car comes fully prepared. On a 2021 21 registration, this is the S500L. AMG line Premium Plus in a beautiful condition, and again, you're saving tens and tens of thousands of pounds again against list price. But it's still a new model car with the new headlights, grille, the backlights, and most importantly, new technology on the inside. Stunning looking car. My name's Joe. If you want to know anything more about this particular car, give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. Thanks for watching.